Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Kia Sportage with remote start. This easy method allows you to warm up or cool down your vehicle before you even step inside. It's a convenient feature, especially during extreme weather conditions. Just follow a few simple steps to get your Sportage ready to go. We'll cover the basic requirements and the exact button sequence you need to use for a successful remote start every time. Before initiating the remote start, make sure your Kia Sportage is completely locked. This is a crucial safety measure. First, press the lock button on your key fob one time. You should hear the doors lock or see the lights flash, confirming the vehicle is secured. This initial press prepares the system for the remote start command. Give it a moment, perhaps 2 or 3 seconds, before proceeding to the next step. Now for the main event. After locking the doors, locate the remote start button on your key fob. It often has a circular arrow icon. Press and hold this button down firmly for approximately 3 seconds. You'll see the parking lights flash, and then the engine will start. Your Sportage will run for about 10 minutes, giving you plenty of time to get ready before heading out. It's that simple to get your car running. Here are a few helpful tips for using your remote start. If you need more time, you can extend the run time by another 10 minutes. Simply press and hold the remote start button again while the engine is already running. To turn off the engine remotely, just press the remote start button one time quickly. Remember, the vehicle must be locked for the remote start to function, ensuring security and convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.